Hi, today we're going to be working on something a little bit different. With the lockdown for the coronavirus, don't have any work to do, so working around the house, working on the cars. And today I'm cleaning this car, and I've come across some tree sap, like some resin, it's dried like glue on the paintwork. And what we're going to try and do today is remove this without scratching it or scratching up the clear coat or doing any damage to the paint. You're going to need some soapy water in a spray bottle, and some rubbing compound or some scratch remover, and a bit of patience and a bit of elbow grease, and we should be able to get this out. So spray down with a bit of soapy water. Pea size of rubbing compound on your cloth. I've got this zoomed in so that you guys can see, and just slowly start rubbing it. Keep adding water. This has been on this car for a long time. I remember seeing this a couple of months ago, and I didn't want it to damage anything, so I left it on. Okay. A little bit of scratching with a fingernail. I hope everybody's staying safe in the virus, staying home, staying out of harm's way. Can't wait for it to be over. Slightly scratching it with a fingernail. More compound. Not putting any pressure on the cloth, just a little bit of pressure. Keep spraying it down, keep it moist. We're going to be doing some other work on this car over the next few days. I'm going to put in a ball joint on the driver's side. The ball joint's gone. A bit of engine work as well. We're going to attempt to do the valve stem seals. Car smokes when you start up in the morning, puff of blue smoke. So replacing those stem seals should fix that. Bought this car just over 20 years ago, brand new. It's been an old faithful, hasn't let us down. And I am a bit of a do-it-yourself as far as mechanics are concerned. And take this opportunity with the lockdown to bring you guys along, show you what I get up to. No rush with this, we just keep adding the compound. go. All gone. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. And remember, there's always a fix.